All right, this is from the CF Natural Daily Store, and I don't see it written on the box anywhere. This is the box you get. You can see it's pretty sizable. And I love that it's got like Planet Explorer. If you're a homeschooler and you don't mind the smell, these are really potent. This would be a fun way to explore the planets. So anyway, it's just your standard. Let's see, where does it say made in China? Right there. Made in China. Do you see it? Right there, made in China. And so this is just your standard kit. They make a lot of these. And some of them are more homeopathic and some of them are more manufactured. Now these have our solar system, planets, 8 planets, and gives you a little bit about each planet. I can't read this at all. It's not just the fact that it will not focus. There it's focusing a little bit more, but the writing is super tiny. And I would have rather seen them put a little card inside each one. Now, my second thing is, these are not in order. Because it goes Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And so you're just all over the place. I would have much rather have seen them go in order of the planets. And that would have been easy to do. They're all the same size. They do give a free gift. And they do advertise this in the ad. And it's a little astronaut guy here. Really kind of hard to see in there. A lot of chain. But that's their free gift. And it is on the ad. So and to show you they offer it. These things are huge. These are one of the bigger ones, but they do have a toy on the inside, which means they're not as much here as it looks. I don't know what the size of the toy is on the inside, because obviously we haven't used any of these yet. I will tell you, they all smell very perfumey. I cannot discern that any of them smell differently. They may. But there's an overpowered perfuminess here that's just filled my nose so much that I cannot smell anything else. Now, the thing you want to know is these things are solid colored. None of them are actually planets, which when I first saw them, I thought they were going to look like planets. It's a plastic cover, and when you cut them off, if you cut them off carefully, you can save them if you wanted to. They're pretty accurate. I mean, I was pretty impressed with this. It tells you which one it is. It does not list a scent, which is another reason why I think they're all the same scent. So there's Earth. And this one is Neptune. So some of them are more colorful than others. Then you've got Mercury. And yes, I'm going to show each and every one of these to you. And this is what Mercury looks like. I kind of ruined it with this choking hazard being so huge. What's this one? Jupiter. Jupiter. I wonder if they've got the red spot. I don't know. I'm kind of fascinated by the red spot and always have been. I teach ESL, English as a second language. And this week, one of my students is on a unit about planets. And so we're going to have fun looking at these tomorrow when we have our class. This is what? Venus. So like I said, it's just a plastic wrap. Shrink wrapped on there. This one is what? Uranus. And then we have Saturn. No rings, sorry. And Mars is the last one, of course. Because that's the one we haven't talked about. The red planet. So this is what you get. You can see what size they are. It's a sturdy box. It'll be easy to reuse this for something. If you have, it has compartments, which are removable. And I don't know, I almost gave it 5 stars, but there's just some things, you know, like these. This is hard to read. They're not in the right order. They all smell exactly the same, and the perfume is really, really strong. These are reasons why I didn't give it 5 stars. You may love them. I really think this would be awesome if you've got a kid who's reluctant to learn. And as you study the planets, every time you study a planet, they get to have one as their bath bomb. If you've got the kid, that would be a cool reward. It's a great way to teach very young children about the planets. So have fun with it.